I'm Nancy. I'm one of the voices that might greet you if you contact Kampen Law.
And I'm Morgan. I'm another voice that could greet you when you contact Kampen.
One of the things that we wanted to discuss with you is our approach. We generally like to make things as comfortable as possible. We do understand that the whole process of going through an employment issue is sometimes very troubling and difficult, and we really want to make it as simple as possible and as easy for you.
So the intake process is really just if an individual feels like they are having an issue at their employment, if they're being retaliated against, or they feel like they're being discriminated against, or even if they've already been terminated and they want an attorney to look over their severance review. This gives them an opportunity to call us, and they will be put with a conversation with a paralegal or a law clerk, and we will just really get some initial information from them.
Right. This way we can have a bird's eye view of what's going on. The more that we ask, the more answers that we have, and the better service that we can provide you ultimately.
Right, and we want to make sure that when an individual were to call, this is a completely confidential conversation.
It is.
And it's very comfortable. We're just asking questions to try to get the most detail possible so that our attorneys can better help and give them options as well.
That's right. Actually, one of the things that happens oftentimes is someone might come in with one problem and then later on realize that they were violated in multiple ways. So sometimes we ask a lot of questions, and it might seem invasive at times, but really and truly, we're just trying to help you as much as possible. So we will ask many questions to get the best picture of what was going on, and this way we can address any area of discrimination.
Absolutely. And after the conversation, we pass that information on to our attorneys who have time to look over the information and kind of go from there. And it usually takes about 1 to 2 days. And after the 1 to 2 days, we will
Get back in contact with them and let them know whether or not we can assist them.
absolutely.
I mean, during the review process, just to give you an idea of what happens, you would send us all of your documentation. It can be an employment agreement, contract, non-compete, any documents that you want us to review. The more the better. And at that point, we would determine whether or not there's any other violations that we can make claims against on your behalf. During the consultation itself, you would have the opportunity to sit down with an attorney and discuss your matter more in depth. You would be able to tell them everything that's going on, tell them all the key players that are involved, and this way they can get a really good idea of how to best assist you. They would also provide you with different options as far as remedying the situation. They would tell you what claims that you can make and how we can partner with you to be of assistance. Your experience with Kampen Law would not be one where you only partner with the attorneys. You would partner with us as well. We'd work with you on a daily basis. We might call you just to find out a little bit more information or just to get more depth of what's going on. You would not be alone during the whole process, basically. You would have friends that would be here to assist you, and that's what we really want to provide. We want to make the process as simple and easy and welcoming as possible. After the consultation, one of the first things that we would do is inform your employer that we are representing you. This way, it would eliminate the need for you to be put in an awkward position where you would have to deal with them directly. We would be your voice, and we would speak on your behalf. As a professional courtesy, if we are not able to assist you at the time, one of the things that we like to do is to extend referrals. That way, at least, you would be armed with a professional in the employment sector that would be able to assist you further.
Absolutely. So the whole process from start to finish with any potential clients we might have is very comfortable and relaxing, and we can't wait to hear from you.